The dynamic landscapes and thriving flora and fauna are major factors in defining the popularity of all the mountains of the world. For the more adventurous explorers, there are many other mountain ranges like the tallest mountain range, Mount Everest, and the longest mountain in the world, the Andes, which must be visited for an exhilarating experience of an adrenaline rush. Impressive mountain ranges, worthy of appreciation, have spread across different continents, giving adventurers the option to choose from the many countless mountain ranges of the world. Let's get into it. Number 1, Swiss Alps, the magical mountains. The dramatic peaks of Damastag and the snow-clad majestic summit of Matterhorn have always amazed and left hikers spellbound with its astonishing beauty. Matterhorn is the 10th tallest among the several mountains of the world, with a distinct feature of a well-defined pyramid shape. It is one of the most active fold mountains in the world and is featured on the world-famous Toblerone chocolate as its logo. The slopes of the Switzerland mountains are famous for the skiing and snowboarding activities. This is among the most famous mountains in the world. Height: Duferspitze, 4,634 meters, the Dom, 4,545 meters, the Liskam, 4,527 meters, the Weisshorn, 4,506 meters, and the Matterhorn, 4,478 meters. Number 2, Mount Logan, the snowy paradise. Mount Logan is the tallest mountain in Canada, the second highest summit in North America, and has the largest circumference of the base when compared to the several mountain ranges on the world map. It is a part of Kluane National Park and Reserve. Hikers here can have an adventurous experience of mountaineering in Canada while being surrounded by dense forests, iced rivers, picturesque landscapes, wild animals, and several species of birds. Due to the tectonic action in this area, Mount Logan is continuing to grow in height even today. This is amongst the most famous mountains. Height: 5,959 meters. Number 3, Mount Fuji, the volcanic beauty. Mount Fuji is nearly 12,400 foot tall and is Japan's #1 tourist attraction. The breathtaking views here never fail to impress anybody who comes here. This is one of the most massive volcanic mountains in the world, which is active even now and majestically sits over a junction of 3 tectonic plates. Japan in July and August see the most amount of hikers attempting to climb this volcanic mountain, and most of them make it to the summit successfully. Heights: 3,776 meters. Number 4, Mauna Kea, the gem of Pacific Ocean. Mount Everest is known to be the tallest mountain in the world, but if you consider the height of Mauna Kea, which is hidden under the Pacific Ocean, then Mauna Kea would be the tallest peak of the world. It is an 8-hour tour of this place with a few stops in between for acclimatization. The top of this volcanic wonder houses the world's leading astronomical observatories. During the nights, the perfectly clear skies offer an amazing stargazing experience. This is one of the most famous mountains around the globe. Heights: 4,207 meters. Number 5, Jotunheimen Mountains, the photographer's paradise. This is one of the major mountain ranges of the world. One can witness these beautiful Jotunheimen Mountains when on the Sognefjellet National Tourist Route. The best way to witness the beauty of this place is through a drive along Europe's highest mountain pass. This area offers splendid views of the scenic beauty which are highly worthy of being photographed. During the drive, one can witness the magnificent view comprising snow-capped mountain peaks, waterfalls with crystal clear water, and lush greenery. Heights: Guldhöpiggen, 2,469 meters. Number 6, Grand Teton, America's adventure hub. Grand Teton is a famous national park in the United States of America with more than 60 species of mammals. The breathtaking scenery offered here leaves every traveler awestruck and in love with the grand mountain peaks, making it one of the most famous mountains in the world. There are many fun-filled, exciting activities offered in this area like camping, hiking, trekking, water sports, etc. The historical cowboy culture of this area must be experienced by one and all. Heights: 4,199 meters. Number 7, Bogda Peak, an epitome of magnificence. Also known as the Bogda Mountain, it is an 18,000-foot tall magnificent beauty. This mountain is very difficult to climb as its slopes are very steep, which is a major obstacle, but in spite of these limitations, many mountain climbers have successfully climbed this mountain range on numerous occasions. This mountain peak is much closer to civilization and is more challenging to climb, therefore it gets more attention from travelers when compared to the other mountain peaks of the region. Heights 5,445 meters. Number 8, Aoraki/Mkook, the spellbinding wonder. It is a part of the popular Aoraki/Mkook National Park, and its stands are magnificently adorned with snow-capped peaks. Many mountain climbing enthusiasts come here from all over the world with the intention of climbing the 3 snow-covered summits of this range. Even hikers come from every nook and corner to experience the splendid view offered on the hiking trails and to witness the longest glacier in the country, which is Tasman Glacier. It is undoubtedly one of the world's greatest mountains. Heights 3,724 meters. Number 9, Cerro Torre, the sun-kissed beauty. This is the most controversial mountain range amongst all the mountains of the world, as there have been many disputes between Argentina and Chile as to who owns it, and there have been complications in deciding who was the first person to climb Cerro Torre. It is counted among the most difficult mountains to climb as it has a very steep surface. It is a rocky steep mountain standing 10,000 foot tall with a bulb-like snow cap at the top. Heights 3,128 meters. Number 10, Huayna Picchu, the wondrous gem. This is one of the smallest mountains in the world but is very famous among tourists and travelers because of the amazing view offered by the mountain of Machu Picchu, which is one of the greatest ancient archaeological sites of the world. Huayna Picchu is a treasured heritage site of UNESCO. Machu Picchu is one of the 7 wonders of the world, and the splendid sky view of this famous site can be seen by climbing Huayna Picchu. Heights 2,720 meters. One must make it a point to visit at least one of these mountains of the world for an exhilarating and fun-filled adventurous experience. That's it for today. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. I will see you in the next video.